Hello, my friends. Good morning. Um, I'm a bit late today. But I'm excited. I am using a different setup for the live stream today so that my video quality turns out to be uh better. I have been noticing that the video quality was not that good in the past. Um, but with this setup. There comes a disadvantage that these live streams won't look good on Instagram. So for better experience, I'll suggest join me on. I'll also write it down as a pinned comment in Instagram. For a better experience, join me on YouTube at Sing on Ecstasy. Yeah, I'll just pin that comment out. Yeah, that's awesome. That will help you to view the screen better. Um, yeah, let's get started. The news of the day is Replicate joins Cloudflare. Yes, guys, Cloudflare is something where the backbone of internet is, and now Replicate, which is acting as a backbone of AI for developers. A replicate is that we'll try what replicate is. Let's take this opportunity to try what it is. But you can just kind of consider replicate as calling AI using API. So it's pretty much that is it. And I quickly share my screen. Mm, Okay, yeah, there you go. I am hoping you will be able to see my screen, and let's quickly go to Twitter and search for Replit. What's happening there? Okay, Replit has partnered with American Express. No, I don't want to see this. Okay, Replit, it's pretty popular, so there might be a lot of stuff there. Replit Cloudflare. Okay, yeah. So big news, Replicate is joining Cloudflare. Replicate's going to carry on as a distinct brand, and all that will happen is that it's going to get way better. It will be faster, will have more resources, and will integrate with the rest of Cloudflare's developers, Cloudflare developer platform. I think it's pretty cool move. And if you see in the bottom, it says Cloudflare is a default for building web apps from day one of Replicate. When we were building a prototype to apply to YC, we put Cloudflare in front of it. So, I mean, everyone knows Cloudflare is a leader here when it comes to hosting and uh, oh, in the like kind of the backbone of the web. Let's quickly let me quickly now go to replicate.com and let's try it out together. Let's try to build something. Again, if you are on Instagram, I'll say just join me on um, a YouTube or LinkedIn. That way it will be better. Okay, replicate run AI with an API. You can run, fine-tune your models. You can deploy custom models, all by just calling it as an API. That's it. Okay. Uh, so they have pretty much a wide variety of models. Explore models. Students one profiles for the video generation, and then the fastest flux endpoint in the world, how to prompt VO31. So these are the articles. But yeah, this is the AI upscaler, GPT 5.1, Nano Banana. Let's try it out. And um, someone will think that why do we even need replicate? So think of it like this. You have um, ChatGPT, like OpenAI, you can call directly call their API. And then you can fine tune their models, of course, but then um, there are some other models that you won't have access to. Some are open source models, and you don't want to get into deploying them at that time. This is where Replicate comes in, and are able to um, you're able to, I mean, use AI without taking the headache of hosting it. Um, okay, let's just try it. We'll see the pricing. Uh, you only pay for what you use on Replicate public model. Okay, so yeah, these are the pricing. So per thousand output tokens or per thousand output images, per second of output video. These are the kind of pricing. So they have different pricing for different models. And then there are some private models. You can deploy your own custom models using code. Okay, so you can just deploy your own model. Yeah, makes sense. Hmm. Okay, that's enterprise. Okay, let's try it out. Let's authorize. I use this email. Or actually, yeah, I'll just use this email. Let's do it for now. What best describes, I always love to fill this up because when someone comes on my website, I also prefer that I get that sort of data. But basically, how you are intending to use Replicate. Right now, I'm just using it for academic use. You can say, what is the preferred programming language? I mean, whatever, Python or JavaScript, you can say. What are you going to use Replicate for? Adding AI to using AI in a new application, uploading a private, exploring new models. Fine, I'm just exploring models. Where did you learn about Replicate? It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Are you a company? We recommend creating an organization to make it easier to collaborate with your teammates on Replicate. Join or create an organization. Let's create it. This will be the primary point of contact for organization or Replicate can be useful to use a group email address. Okay. This will be the username and URL for your organization or Replicate. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's get the OTP. I don't want to update the avatar or anything like that. API token key, billing. Okay. Integrations. Okay, what's the integration? Webhooks. That's fine. I just want to explore real quick. Set up billing, add payment method, run AI with it. Okay. I guess you need to add a payment method. So I'll quickly fetch my payment details. I'll move it away just for the sake of safety. Okay, there you go. We are good. Mm, Manage auto reload. Outstanding balance used this month. I think we can get away with this, or we'll then set up auto reload. No problem. Let's try it out. Dashboard, dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, let's try some model. Setup billing. I have already done that. Run a model. Let's do it. Mm, let's run GPT 5.1. Uh, just for uh, having not a lot of complexity with trying it. Uh, Okay, let's just run it. Do they have an OpenAI GPT using Replicate's API? Do they have the playground? Like I was expecting they should have a playground. Mm, Compare models in the playground. There you go. What's this? No, is there anything wrong? Yeah, that's fine. Let it be. Models, create a new model. That's fine. Let's go to dashboard. Let's again, yeah, there it is. So yeah, we have this GPT playground here. Okay, let's try it out. Prompt, how many fingers are in this photo? System prompt. You are a finger counter. You are from image provided. And then this input type is only available via the API messages. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the image is already there. For example, list of images to send to the model, high raising effort high. Let's do it medium. Velocity medium, that's fine. Max completion token, that's fine. It's 1.25 per million input tokens. Let's compare it with the pricing of OpenAI pricing. 5.1. Uh, okay, so it's 1.25 per million input tokens. Here it is 1.25 per million tokens. They are doing it the same. 0.01 per thousand output tokens. Point uh, 0.01 per thousand. I think it's same. 4 million tokens. Mm, yeah, that's good. I'm just assuming that they do not have any caching pricing in Replicate. I'm just assuming that because OpenAI do have that sort of infrastructure where they can give you the caching pricing. Yeah, I don't know. Just need to explore. But yeah, there you go. Let's let's try it out. Run. You have insufficient credits. Go to the billing. Like nobody. Um, Account settings. Billing. Okay, let's add something in here. Buy $10 in credits. Okay, there you go. They said it becomes available in 5 minutes, but let's try it out. Oh, okay, yeah, it's not available yet. Oh yeah, there you go. There are 7 fingers in the photo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's good. But what's better is um, I want to understand this was the request sent. This is the call. Okay. And this is a JSON that response we got. Okay, let's quickly, what I'll do is uh, run OpenAI building replics. Let's try it out in Postman. Let's quickly try it out. Oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay, let's try it on Postman. Okay, there you go. I'm unable to, okay. I'm unable to get Postman to my, okay, yeah. It's asking me to authenticate again. Uh, I'll just sign in with Google. Let's open it again. Nope. Okay, I just signed out. That's way better. Restart and install update. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let it do what they want to do. But let's quickly try something out. Okay, there you go. Then replicate API to open environment variables. Then okay, import this call. Let's import this call into uh, Postman. There you go. And then authorization oh, should be API key. Let's see what they have in the headers. Authorization, mirror, replicate. So, okay, it's the mirror token. And then I'll quickly just enter the API key. Okay. Um, yeah, I mean the body is there. And let's see if this image is yeah, okay. Let's send it. Invalid type expected string given object. Input validation failed. Expected string given object. What's wrong with this? That's fine. We can just send a message as well, right? Maybe we can just get rid of this. I think image input is the issue, but let's try it out. Yeah. Input image status input validation failed type invalid type input dot image invalid type expected string given object. Okay. let's go through the documentation. Replicate OpenAI 5.1. They open the same thing, I think. Yeah. Examples, API. Um, image input like this. But yeah, okay. Yeah, let's change it. I think there is some issue with what they created as curl. Okay, I think this should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, something is happening. Okay, yeah, we have the output here. There are 7 fingers in the photo. Okay, that's good. Let's try something interesting. Um, let's try to find out, let's try to train an AI model that mm, that creates images for you. Let's try it out. Let's search for a good model. I remember Flux uh, is really good, but let's just search for it. Let's see. Fast Flux. We need a trainer model. Fast Flux trainer. Okay, let's see. And then there is this another Fast Flux. Let's see. Fast Flux. There it is. This is the fastest flux endpoint in the world. Speed mode, examples, rising $5 per thousand output images. Okay. So this is used to just kind of create images. If you just search on Google, what is Flux model? Flux model, generative AI model for image generation by Black Forest Labs. Yeah. It excels at generating high quality images from text prompts, speed, quality, flexibility, editing. Let's try it out. Let's skip the talks. Okay. Train subjects or style faster than ever, and this looks fast. Let's try it out first. Mm, speed mode, extra juiced, more speed. Let's keep it default. Aspect ratio, I need 16:9. Output, let's change to PNG. Prompt a man staring into the sunset. Uh, with coffee in his hands, with a bit of with a bit of with a little bit of northern lights. It's ironical with the sunset and the northern lights, but let's try it out. Image size, output quality. Okay. I think we need to do anything else now. Right. Okay. Okay, this is the image generated. Yeah, there's a coffee, but maybe not a lot of northern lights, but you see that it's creating pretty good image. Let's try something else. Mm, A person s- sitting in the office with professional business attire, reading a book and giving a light smile. Let's try it out. AI is so accessible these days, guys. You can just mm, it's terrific, I'll say. Okay. Okay. Um, Person sitting in the office with professional business attire, reading a book and giving a light smile. Good. This is good. This is good. Okay, this is the API they have. Let's just quickly try to train a model for ourselves. Let's see how the training works. Training for this model run on 8x NVIDIA H100 GPU hardware, which costs 0.0122 per second. Upon creation, you will be redirected to the training detail page where you can monitor your training's progress and eventually download the weights and run the train model. Shit. Okay, that's fine. How much? 0.0122 per second into 60. Oh, $43 an hour. 0.0122 per second. This is per minutes, and that's good. I liked it. Pretty uh partially. That's fine. Select a model. How do we train a model? Set up training parameters. Select a model as your destination or create a new one by typing the name in the model selector field. Next, upload the zip file containing your training data as the input images. Set up the training parameters. Uh, okay, that's fine. Once you have filled out the form, click create training to begin the process of fine-tuning. Okay, let's let's try to find something out. Hmm, Test avatar. Let's create a test avatar. Should be a private model. Upload a compatible file zip containing your training data. Zip file containing the images that will be used for training. We recommend a minimum of 10 images. Include caption. Include them as one TXT file per image. Should have a caption file named. If you don't include captions, we'll generate them for you. Okay. Let's find training data. Where should we find the training data from? Hmm, Training data of selfies. Let's try it out. Yeah, I consists of 4,000 sets of videos and selfies from 3,500 plus unique people from 15 countries. I just want data of one person. Let's see samples. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, all have only one, like 8 images. That was GP. Now, selfie and official ID photo dataset. Let's see what Hugging Face has. No, change data of selfies of same person. Let's see. Yeah, Kaggle is a good source. We can find something out. And 5,000 files. What's this? Name Wesley. Okay, I think we can find something out here. Ah, okay, that's fine. LPs and ID images, dataset 95,000 files, usability. Okay, let's just download it. Let's see if we can download it now. Okay, we'll open out. Meanwhile, we can go back. See, what it is. Generate photo of user. Okay, let's see what's in there. Is it the same person? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let's see. Do we have something else? Looking for someone with more characteristics so that we can kind of uh, let's try it out. Let's try this person. Okay. So I don't want the IDs to be there. Let's 13 selfies are good and training data. Let's paste it out, zip them. Let's put it in Flux train. Let's see. Okay. Trigger word. The trigger word refers to the object, style, or concept you're training on. Pick a string that isn't a real word like talk or something related to what's being trained on, like cyberpunk. The trigger word you specify will be associated with all the images during training. Then when you use your LoRa, you can include the trigger word in prompts to help activate the LORA. Okay, what is LORA? In Flux. Low rank adaptation is a technique used to fine-tune the base Flux AI model for specific styles or subjects without full retraining. Okay, kind of giving more images and training that. Okay, that's fine. LoRa type subject, show advanced inputs. Let's just do it. Create training. Let's just do it. What happened? Uh, okay. Private. Do they want me to do public? Or something is wrong with the zip file? Let's see. No, I mean, are they not liking the zip file created by Mac or something? They should give some sort of error. Okay, let's try it out. Or maybe let's see what's in the console. Let's reload the page. Okay, there you go. Test avatar. Your work. LoRa type. We are just not concerned about all of this. Okay, I think something is wrong with the zip only. Mm, There is an internal server error in Cloudflare's network. If they go down after buying Replicate, let's see. Support portal availability issues. Right now, everything is operational. Support side, that's fine. Yeah, nothing major is going on. Mm, that's fine. We'll we might try it some other day, but let's quickly uh, try something Let's put a seed. Reset to default inputs. Let's see. So I'll select this. What if I oh, nope. Let's refresh. Uh, there's something wrong. Let me see if I'm able to access this website on my mobile phone. Nope. Did I do something wrong? Did I break replicate? Let's see. Oh, oh, what's that? Of course, Google is not backed by um, Twitter down. Uh, Cloudflare down. Nope. Am I even live? Is the internet? Is anything wrong? Yeah, I think Cloudflare is down because they are not able to verify a few things. Okay, that's fine. Um, did I just broke the internet? Let's see, Cloudflare itself is opening or not. They are good. They are good. Shopify, let's see if Shopify is opening. It's opening, but some of the service is backed by Cloudflare might not be working. No, it says all is good. That's fine. That's fine. We can continue this tomorrow. No big deal. We'll try to train our model and then um, kind of create something out. Let's see where it goes. Meanwhile, let me try opening it once again. I think it's back. Is it? Yeah, I think it's back. And the XX should be back too. Yeah, I think something is happening. Okay. Yeah, it's back. That's fine. Now my laptop is saying I don't want to work. Let's close it out. Let's close it out. 5.1 is our okay. Flux charge trainer. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Test avatar. Let's do the same thing again. Again, this time with the console open. Let's just create training. Yeah, it's not trainings. I think the same thing happened. We have logged it. An error occurred while trying to load this page. I don't know what's the issue. That's fine. That's fine. We'll try it some other time. Let's try to let's try something else. Let's try the video model. Let's try the video model. Dashboard, explore video models. Let's see what they have. ByteDance, Pixverse, and when. Mm, Let's just try ByteDance, faster and cheaper version of Seed Dance 1 Pro. Let's just try it out. What they create. Which is the most popular? 105K runs, 550K runs, 1.1 million runs. With smooth motion. Yeah, let's try it out. Oh, am I am I doing something? I just hope I don't. Oh, uh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'll just stop doing what I'm doing. I don't want to break things up. Yeah, I mean, let's check it on my mobile phone if it's working or not. Yeah, that's a good news, guys. We broke the internet today, um, during the live stream. But yeah, thank you so much. We'll try it some other day. Um, I have no other option. Okay, then see you and